Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view a snap without them knowing on a Snapchat. So if somebody send you a snap, you want to see it without letting them know, I will show you how to do it. So for this, first of all, just open up the Snapchat application here. Once you are in the Snapchat app, head over to the chat feed. Here you can see I have received a snap from this person. Now I want to look at the snap without letting this person know. Normally if I just open it right now, it will tell them that I've opened it. But to make sure that they don't know, what you are going to do is you want to swipe down on your screen on your phone. That will bring up this page right here. Now once you've done that, make sure that your Wi-Fi and data is off. Once you do that, you can open up the snap like this. You can see, you can look at it, do whatever you want. You can also screenshot it if you want to. So what do you have to do? That make sure that they don't see that you have seen their snap. You want to come out from the Snapchat application and delete the Snapchat application. Tap on this uninstall. Once you do that, you can turn off your aeroplane mode and then you can re-download the Snapchat application. So go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and download the Snapchat application, and after re-downloading, just open up the Snapchat application again. Head over to Snapchat application and log back into your account. And once you log back in, go to your chat feed and you can see this first person. I have already seen his snap, but it's still unopened. It does not send any notification or shown that you have seen their Snapchat application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.